How to buy MCS token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, this token, as you can see, it's available on Tick Screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now, as you can see, the liquidity here are locked by 100%. That's good. That's mean your investment in this safe place. So what you need to do to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address. Remember that the token address is under the Solana network. The best phantom for that is Phantom Wallet. Now open your Phantom Wallet, click on swap, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address as you can see. Now click on your token here, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information. After that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now after that, if you face any issue, just go back to this page, switch the slip patch from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy MCS token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.